Boom shakalaka, today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the exact bottom date for Bitcoin, plus some very interesting charts and why now is still a great time to dollar cost average. You definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at the exact bottom date for Bitcoin, why now is a great time to dollar cost average, and some other very interesting charts. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Let's try and get to 2,000 likes. Just push the like button. Now, today, we are in extreme fear at 11. No change really for about ever. But the entire market up about 2% today. Bitcoin at 28.01, Ethereum at 11.36, BNB at 2.30, XRP 36 cents, Cardano 48 cents, Solana $37, and Dogecoin 6 cents. And if you want to know the top coins today based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, they would be Automata, Storage, Trust Wallet, Tencent, and Nest Protocol. And if you want to check out token metrics for yourself, there is a free 1-week trial by clicking the link down in the description. Now, Bitcoin today continuing to stay right above this $20,000 previous all-time high support, also following this previous trend line for where Bitcoin has bottomed, like the COVID bottom back here. We are still in somewhat scary territory because if we fall much lower, well, Bitcoin price could plummet. But also, there's the possibility where we have this wedge forming right here that we'll see somewhat of a breakout by the end of this year. Now, we have some very interesting charts right now for Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin accumulation territory, the RSI is 26, lowest value ever in Bitcoin's history. If we take a look at the weekly RSI down here in purple, we can see the COVID crash, it was down here. We are even lower than we were back then. Accumulation territory, but pretty much the scariest, lowest RSI territory Bitcoin has ever been in. Not only the RSI, but also the Mayer multiple, historic low. Mayer multiple is calculated by dividing the Bitcoin price by the 200-day moving average of the price. We can see the Mayer multiple down here on the bottom, the lowest territory it has ever been in, similar to previous bottoms for Bitcoin. Right now, TA analysts saying that Bitcoin is ready for a huge bull run. Taking a look at the 225-day moving average in green and the 125 DEMA in red, we can see when they've crossed previously, those were times when it was the bottom. Well, right now we have a cross just occurring right now, suggesting that this could be the very bottom. As a matter of fact, these same things in different colors suggesting that we have the beginning of the fourth bull run starting. But there is something even more interesting, this right here suggesting that the absolute bottom will be July 9th. Now, this is coming from the Pi Cycle bottom indicator. Sounds like something a lot of you have heard of, the Pi Cycle top indicator. It turns out that if you take a look at some different data points on the Pi Cycle top indicator, we can actually use this to predict the bottom. It predicted the exact bottom in 2015. It was 2 days away from the exact bottom in 2018. Right now, it looks like we're having another cross coming up. And just in case you want to know what these lines are, the blue line is the 471-day SMA times 0.745, and the red line is the 150-day EMA. Now, these could very well be suggesting the exact bottom date. And what the Real Plan C did was he did a 10-day SMA of the rate of change of the Pi Cycle bottom indicator. At the current trajectory, we should see the cross occur on July 9th, 2020. Now remember, this picked the exact day back in 2015 and 2 days away from the bottom in 2018. That means that there's a 75% chance that this would pick the exact bottom now. Also 25% chance that it would not. But that being said, July 9th could potentially be the exact bottom, which brings us to this chart right here, the gutter accumulation channel, stating that right now is a great time to dollar cost average. Historically speaking, the last 4 times in a row when Bitcoin has entered the gutter accumulation channel, it's been a great area to consider DCAing. Now we can see the gutter accumulation channel is underneath this blue line and above this blue area. And the blue line would be, well, we were underneath it back here in 2015. We were underneath it here in 2019. Also, the COVID crash we touched underneath. Right now, we are underneath it. And basically, right now, it spans from around $14,115 to $22,936. If you can get Bitcoin in those areas, you're going to be doing phenomenal in the years to come. So that's all for today's video. I hope you did enjoy it. Make sure to like. I will see you guys later. Have a good one. Love ya. Peace.